Hello guys. So welcome to our long-awaited Flutter course. Uh, so and this is the first series of this course, right? And just to give you guys a brief rundown on what we are planning to achieve and how we intend to achieve it. All right. So the goal of this course is to ensure that each and everyone that's participating in this course can actually build any form of mobile application. All right, both front end and back end. Back end focusing on PHP and MySQL. Um, but how I intend going about this is we are going to be starting this course with front end first. That's why you have this visual on my screen. So what is front end? Front end development focuses on the visual aspect of your website or mobile app, whatever you're building. Right, so the front end focuses on the visual aspect, what users see, the user experience, right? So it all has to do with the front end, right? So meaning in the first quarter of this course, right, in the first 1 month plus, we are going to be doing everything related to front end, no back end. Okay. So after the first 1 month plus, right, the next month we are going to be we are going to be integrating, first of all, learning the back end and then be integrating the back end for the front end. Okay, so but the reason why I'm focusing on the front end first is because most persons will likely give up on the way, and even if they do, they should be able to be a front end developer, even if they cannot build both front and back end, they can still get good pay from working as a front end developer, right? So, with that being said, I'll be keeping this series very short. Okay, I'll be keeping it very short so that I'll be able to upload these videos successfully. Uh, and then quickly minimize. So I believe we've all gone through the installation process in Flutter. Okay. Uh, if you're having issues, if you're having issues with your installation, I would likely be doing having installation class probably after now, right? I will have installation class and it will be uploaded on my YouTube as well. So you should look that up. Okay, so having explained the purpose of this course and how we are going to treat different sections, I will end this tutorial here, and then the next clip will be doing introduction to Flutter. Yeah, so thank you and see you in the next series.